all these patches all over the face. So now you can see she's trying to show how much dirt came off her face even after using soap. Yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys how I took care of my 12 years old girl acne. Like, yeah, I know it is normal and I know it naturally goes on its own, but do you know there are some acne that causes scar if you not take care of them on time? So I do not want that to happen to my daughter, because my kid sister actually had a similar issue, and today she has acne scars on her face, even on her chest. So anyways guys, using the DETTOL Antiseptic method to see how it works on her. I try not to use too much harsh chemical products on her face. So first thing first, what I did, I actually bought her acne face wash to first use it to wash her face. After that, go ahead to add little antiseptic, DETTOL Antiseptic in plain water, and use it to wipe all over her face and to clean her face rather. So guys, after I was done cleaning her face, I waited for
a few moments later
to dry off her face before I go ahead to apply this tomato jelly. You can see it, guys. It helps to soothe the face, and it helps to control the acne from spreading. It also helps to improve the uncomfortable feeling caused by acne. It helps to deeply clean the skin, because you know she's still a teenager. You can't just apply antiseptic and leave it on her face, because it's gonna make her skin to dry out and might cause more breakouts. And you won't want that happening, because your skin is still very much sensitive. So just try and be gentle with the skin. So this is the next day, guys. It was cloudy and weather looks like it was going to rain heavily, so I don't know, the camera didn't come out well. Anyways, let's just manage it. So after taking a bath, using the face wash to wash off her face, I went ahead applying the antiseptic all over her face, including her neck. So guys, while I applied on her neck, I noticed her neck is a bit darker due to excessive sweat, and she doesn't take care of her skin properly. You know, kids, teenagers now, as soon as they start getting to puberty age, they don't want you to touch them and do stuff for them. They want to do everything themselves. Alright guys, we are on to day 4. I possibly didn't shoot for day 3 because I felt like it wasn't really needed rather. So what we are more after here is to get results, not just displaying videos without results. So guys, as you can see, we are getting there. Our skin is already responding to treatment, and the acne are drying off, and she's getting a more brighter skin tone. This is our real natural skin tone. Like before now, she has this kind of tacky looking skin with white heads and some little small pores all over her face. Like I just didn't like the way her face was looking. So guys, I'm happy we are getting results, and I'm able to work with her on this and tackle this teenage acne or how am I supposed to put it? Anyways, we are getting there. We're getting ready.
Go.
Okay guys, we are on to day 6 and you can see results don't lie at all. Our face is already looking flawless, spotless and pink. Like you can see for yourself, all the dead skin are gone, all the acne reduced. Do you know what I love the most is the fact that the antiseptic helped even clear out dead and all these patches all over the face. So now you can see she's trying to show how much dirt came off her face even after using soap, how much dirt she actually brought out. So like the antiseptic actually helped take care of that, plus the jelly. I think the jelly is very important to go with if you're gonna be using this for your teenager. So she begged me to allow her to do the thing herself today in order for people to see that she's not a baby, she's a big girl, you know. Okay guys, I think at this stage I'm leaving her to do her thing herself because she already mastered the process, as you can see. And I so much love this combination of Dettol with the tomato gel. Like it's really helped bring out the real and actual color of her skin tone without toning. Like this is pure natural way of getting rid of acne and any form of dead skin and breakouts. Like seriously guys, you really need to try this. Okay guys, let me allow her enjoy the rest of the video, and don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget that you're unique and trust every idea you've got in your mind. Just trust the process guys. I love you guys. Bye.